could say I'm finally free. See who I am meant to be.
Good morning. A beautiful view on the Hollywood sign. Nice. Hey. Breakfast time. Smakelijk, hé? We arrived at Santa Monica. Decided to rent a bike and we're gonna drive with the bike to Venice Beach. Yay! The smell of cannabis and the sound of skateboards. Welcome in Venice Beach. A little bit more to the left, a little bit more to the right. Whoa. You're too close, man, you're too close. Can't believe it's summer right now here. We're end of November and it's summer. Now we are driving back and we're ready to go to Hollywood. Yeah. My best friend.
Arrête d'être brut comme ça, je vais te mettre mon dans ta
We arrived in West Hollywood and we're going to the Walk of Fame. He really sounds like SpongeBob. He loves the flowers, mama. Legend, changed the world, dude. What? And Charlie, who's your favorite superstar?
Jim Carrey.
Jim Carrey. Did you see him already?
Nope.
Wie is jouw favoriete artiest?
I'm a star. John Travolta.
John Travolta. Hij heeft hem al gevonden, hoor.
Ja, weet wel.
Hij heeft al gepasseerd.
Radcliffe. Lena Cooper. It's Britney.
just saw someone flying with a drone and I asked him if it's possible, and he's like, yeah, just try to keep away from the sign, but I think I'll try and fly my drone here. I feel safe. Should be possible. I didn't dare to fly over it, I didn't dare to fly too close, so I have a few shots, but it's... I don't know if they're good enough. I'll see it later. You already saw it, I think. I don't know what I'll do with it. I'm happy that I flew the drone, but I saw people flying and going over the sign. I didn't feel comfortable, I didn't feel safe. There are a few helicopters flying around. Yeah, but I have a few shots, so it is what it is. Photo shoot still going on. Hey yo. Hey yo. Was the third day of the road trip in California. I'm really having a lot of fun, and today was a really nice day. I really enjoyed it. The vlog is kind of hard. I'm kind of feeling that it's getting better and better, but yeah, it's very difficult, and I'm having a lot of fun, so that's the most important part. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoy the videos, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye.